What's going on, guys? It's Dubs with the Custom Offsets, Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and we all know at least one buddy with a truck who claims it's faster than ours. This is the case across the board, no matter where you go, but especially here at Custom Offsets. So today we thought we would settle that. We've brought out a bunch of trucks, and we are going to have a good old-fashioned tournament-style drag race. Behind me, you can see there's 6 trucks. We're gonna do a single elimination bracket. There's a couple different drivers here, a couple different builds, both gas and diesel. So we're really excited to get into this and just truly find out who has the fastest truck. Now, before we do that, I gotta remind you guys, if you're looking for performance parts to maybe boot your buddy off the old elimination bracket, you can find those at customoffsets.com. Also, before we get into this, I want to remind you guys that this is professional drivers on a closed course. We're at our very own testing facility here. We do not encourage this kind of driving on the road, so please don't do it. Keep everybody safe. With that out of the way, let's get into it. I'm going to call all the drivers over. We're going to have drivers meeting. Drivers meeting! All right, guys, so listen up. Like we said, we've got 3 matchups today. I just want to spend a couple of quick minutes talking about what we think the outcomes are going to be, just really high level. So matchup number 1, Duramax versus Duramax, LLI versus LBZ, 6-inch lift and 35s, 4.5-inch lift and 33s, 12 wides and 14 wides. It really should be a good pairing. Number 2, of course, is Bronco Tacoma, right? Both gas trucks, both, I would say, a little bit lighter duty than the Duramaxes, and both maybe not the fastest on the track today. I think we can say that, right? Yeah. And then, of course, matchup number 3, battle of the 3/4 ton gas trucks. We have CO2 in one corner, supercharged 6-liter. On the other side, we have the General, which is the Power Wagon, of course. So again, a really, really good matchup. Any preliminary thoughts, any quick call outs you guys want to say is, I think this guy's going to win, I think this guy's going to lose, stuff like that.
I think it's going to be a good close call between the 6.4 General,
okay,
and the supercharged 6.0. I think that'll
that's
be
the only one I can't call.
Yeah.
I'm really hoping Dad's truck wins.
It's definitely going to depend on the tuning on the Chevy 6.0.
Yep.
I think that is going to play a huge part in it.
I'm a little worried. I'm going to be honest, guys. I'm worried on my behalf in terms of it's cold today. We're on blacktop. Traction is not super great, and my Duramax is awesome. But even this morning, I noticed that if you're too far into it, they spin immediately. So if I lose it off the line, that could be the end of it for me. That'll be it.
Sign, because on the way over here, I had none of those issues. So that kind of tells me that the most power is probably going to be yours.
Okay. All right. Well, like I said, just wanted to have a quick dialogue here. Let's get right into the bracket racing. Up first, we've got the battle of the Duramaxes, LLI, LBZ. Let's get them on the line, get them going.
Gonna win?
I have no idea.
Ready to lose?
Yeah, right. I mean, it is cute. I'll give him that. Ready, baby. 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Oh my God.
It hurt on him.
I'm not surprised.
We did it. Round 1 done. Ben, what happened?
I have no tune.
It's fair. I also, in your defense, I also ticked it up a level.
I bet you did.
Good run.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
On to the next.
You can also see where I started braking.
Race number 2, we've got the General and CO2, the battle of the 3/4 ton gas trucks. Let's get right into it.
Hopefully this thing just dominates it better. If it doesn't, and I get a call from Sean, it was really nice working for him. The CO song? Oh, dance truck, let's go! Hell yeah, dude. That Supercharger sounded sick.
Oh, yeah.
We got them mini trucks decked out, rolling through the wood and it flexed out. Rims so big in the windows crack, got the light bulb lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we let it get them dirty, but still they so clean.
That happened just like I thought it would, dude.
All right, guys, so obviously that one was maybe not as close as we thought, right? Any thoughts on that one?
That one panned out exactly the way I planned.
I was hoping it was gonna be a little bit closer, but I figured.
Yeah, CO2 off the line, of course, with the Supercharger. Got a good jump on you. You were reeling him back in, but unfortunately with the shorter track length, it just didn't happen. So
It's not what I saw.
I was catching you.
fair enough. Up next, we've got the Tacoma, obviously. Jared is off doing whatever Jared does. We have Nick in his place running the old Bronco. Any thoughts on this one before we get into it, guys?
Yes, because Jared's not here, I think his shit might not break. But
Facts.
it's still Jared's stuff, so it's probably gonna be put together with hopes and dreams. So I wish you luck.
Yeah.
And this will just be slow, so it's hard to break if you're slow.
I think it'll be Tacoma off the line. Okay?
Yes.
And then the cam will kick in for the 6.0 swap. And then I'll get it at the end.
Good luck, boys. We'll see you on the other side.
See, that's what we're up against. Rev it. Too close to tell. Oh my god, that was really fucking close.